Isa ka bang OFW and naghahanap ka ng paraan so that your hard-earned money can grow strategically and safely? Alam mo ba, if you bought shares of stocks ng BPI last January of 2024, by December of 2024, you have already gained 17% interest. Hindi pa kasama ang dividend. By far, this is the safest way to grow money by partnering with a giant company. The best part is you can actually start investing or buying shares of stocks ng bank for as low as 1,000 pesos kahit nasa abroad ka pa. Kabayan, gusto mo bang matuto paano bumili ng shares of stocks ng bank? Just send me a message or comment down below stocks for details. See you on my next video.